In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can buy from Alibaba, and also I'm going to be showing you things that you should never do if you are buying from Alibaba. This will save you a lot of time and energy. Like, you don't want to deal with scammers on Alibaba. I'm going to be showing you guys the best thing you can do, like the best settings, so that you can buy safely from Alibaba. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you can add your address, how you can pay, every single thing. Okay, let me explain to you guys right now. Now, the first thing, guys, you need to do, like if you want to buy from Alibaba, of course, is to create an account on Alibaba. You want to click on this on this account, and then you want to log in, or you want to sign in. Now, I already have an account. I'm just going to click on Facebook. It will take me directly to my account. So I have been buying from Alibaba for like 3 years, and they have like experienced some like scams, stuff like that. But like in general, Alibaba sellers are trustworthy, and like rarely you will have to deal with someone who is trying to scam you. Okay, now even if someone tries to scam you, you will still get your money back. There is no problem with that. Of course, you know that Alibaba is the biggest e-commerce website in the world. Now I'm just going to explain to you guys how you can buy from Alibaba. Now, the first thing, you want to search for the product that you want to buy. For example, I want to buy a gaming desk. Okay, now this will save you a lot of time. You want to check this, guys. You want to check this. I can't I can't just search and buy from anyone. I have to click on verified supplier. As you can see, you have to check this so that Alibaba will only show you verified suppliers. These sellers, you can buy from them with your eyes closed. Like, you have nothing to worry about, because they are experienced and they are doing crazy numbers on Alibaba. So they are not there to take your money or anything like that. And the second thing you want to do, guys, is to click on ready to ship. Now, let's say that you want to buy one product or two products. Like, if you click on ready to ship, if you check this, then Alibaba will show you items that are ready to ship at that moment. Okay, now if you want to buy, for example, 50 pieces or 100, then you don't have to check this. Okay, because if you want to buy 50, you will have to contact supplier before you can pay for the shipment, like pay for the products. You will have to contact him. You will have to tell him about the shipping time, how much you are going to get, like how much you are going to pay for the shipping. But if you just want to buy one product or two products, you will have to click on ready to ship, and Alibaba will show you products that are ready to ship at that moment. Okay, now every product you click on right now, make sure it has one set. As you can see, if you want to buy one, let's say you want to buy one, but if you want to buy multiple, you can do this. Okay, now if it has one set, as you can see, the minimum order amount is 1, so that means you can buy one product and it will be shipped to your country. Okay, now after you click, guys, on products, you will have to click on this plus, as you can see, so that you can select how many products you want. Like I said, make sure it has here one set or minimum order 1, so that you can buy one. If it has 2, then you have the minimum is 2. You will have to pay for 2 products, so that the supplier will ship the product to you. Okay, now here you will have to add how many products you want to buy, and after that, like I said, after you check that box that says ready to ship, you will see here start order. But if you don't check that, if you don't toggle that on, you will not see here start order. You will only see contact supplier, because these suppliers, they don't have items in stock. They still have to make the items. Okay, because most people that go to Alibaba, they are drop shippers. They are trying to get a lot of items, like they are trying to buy stock, so that they can send it to Amazon, because most people from Amazon, they are just taking these products from Alibaba. Okay, most drop shippers, most sellers on Amazon, these are the products that they are selling on Amazon. Okay, now if you check that box that I showed you at the beginning to ready to ship, you will see here start order. You want to click on start order. These products are ready to ship. They will be shipped within 2 days or 1 day. Okay, and also these sellers are verified. Okay, now you want to click on add address, and you will have, guys, to add your address here, country and streets, and address 1, address 2, and state, city. Okay, let's just see, like, for example, state, like let's just say California, and city like Los Angeles. Okay, I'm just going to select Los Angeles. Okay, and the country is United States, and the address is, for example, this one. All right, and then you have to add here the contact name and yeah, just add the contact name here, the zip code, and the phone number. Okay, the phone number is just how you want to enter here your phone number, and then you want to click submit. Okay, so after you click guys on submit, I'm just going to get the tracking, the zip code of Los Angeles. As you can see, zip code. Okay, so as you can see, this is the zip code of Los Angeles. Now you just want to enter, like I said, your information and click submit. Okay, now after guys you click on submit, you need to do one thing, like you need to do another thing, which is to pay for the item. So there are some suppliers that accept PayPal. I know guys, a lot of you want to pay using PayPal because you are scared, like if something if it goes wrong or anything like that. But trust me, if you just do the steps that I showed you, you will have no problem with the suppliers. They are going to try their best to work with you and to satisfy you. Okay, you want to add here your credit card, and if you have here PayPal method, then you can choose PayPal. Like as you can see, other payment methods, you can click on other payment methods, and then you can choose here PayPal or any other payment provider. Okay, now I like to go with credit card. Just click on credit card and enter here the information of your credit card. I'm just going to add my credit card. Hopefully guys, you don't hack me. I'm just, yeah, like after you add here the credit card, you want to enter here the month and the year, and then you want to click pay now. Okay, now after you click guys on pay now, you will have to wait 2 days. Okay, you can also contact the supplier. Of course you can contact the supplier and you can ask him about how long it will take to ship the item. As you can see, you will see here this chat with supplier. You can just click on it, as you can see, and then you can then talk to your customer, talk to your supplier, and then you can ask him about any questions you have about the product. Like most people, they don't, just click on pay now, and after you click pay now, you will receive an email after the product like after the product in the transit to you. You will receive an email from Alibaba, and you will give you the tracking number. Okay, now even if you don't receive an email, you want to go to my orders, and here you will find the list of orders that you have purchased from Alibaba, and every order you will find there the tracking number. Okay, and you want to copy that tracking number and go to the 70 track. Okay, it's called 70 track, and you want to paste that tracking number here, it came from United States, and now this, like it will be delivered to me to another country. Okay, now that's exactly guys how you can buy from Alibaba. By the way, this is not the tracking number of Alibaba seller. This is just like an example how you can use 70 track. Okay, now you will then track your order here, and you will see the information here until the product arrives in your country. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Please, if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.